Hey guys, what's up? Okay, today I've got a new unboxing for a Lenovo laptop. This is one of the new models from Lenovo. So it's an i3-7100 2.4G. So the RAM is 4GB, got an SSD which is 128GB, 14-inch display, full HD display. The color is mineral gray, and if you're planning to buy a laptop or a computer, if you're going to use it for general purposes, so I'll just do a quick unboxing and show you what comes in the box. They've really reduced the packaging size, so this box is really slim and really light, very well packed, and we'll just go ahead and open it up. So that is the computer itself, very slim, very smart. Here we go, guys. This is how it looks. It's got dark gray keys and silver body. On the right side it's got a SSD port, a USB port, a Kensington lock, and on the left side it's got a power port, the HDMI port, a high-speed USB port, and a USB-C port, and a headphone jack. On the bottom it's got these vents left and right. Very sturdy, very nice feeling, looks really good, cool. You have these leaflets, and it comes with this really handy charger. So they've reduced the size of the charger now. So if in case if this charger literally breaks, or if the wire breaks, you have to buy the whole, so you can't just buy the cable. This laptop, it's got a SSD 128GB, which is less, but obviously everything is kept on the cloud. But if you're looking for a very low-end computer with very high speed, so then this could be a very good choice. And guys, thanks for watching my video. I'll put the link in the description, and if you are planning to buy a laptop for day-to-day usage, then I think so this is going to be an excellent choice. It's a bit hard to find the same specs as this one, but even if you find similar specs, it would be a really good option. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.